I managed to find the Minions LOL dolls. I think the one on the image is the one you get inside, which would be a shame because then it's not really a mystery. But I do want to see, yes, the unicorn, or the purple one was the other one I wanted. A cute unicorn headband to go with it. Of course, Minion goggles. A giant unicorn suit. And then inside is the doll and the accessories. So we have the outfit, the shoes, and Agnes. Here she is with her outfit on, her shoes on, and the accessories. And then I did try and put her inside the unicorn, but she did not want to stay in there. She was just falling out, it wasn't sitting right, but still very cute.